Project management is like juggling many balls at a time. One needs to develop skills to manage different tasks and various task dependencies, material, people, funds and information. The moment you miss a ball or a deadline, entire project may go haywire with serious repercussions. So if you want to learn about Gantt charts with Excel, how to use them and how to manage projects efficiently, you have come to the right place. At the end of the course, you will learn following things. Presenting critical information in creative formats to instantly improve visualization and communication. Prepare dynamic planned versus actual Gantt charts to measure progress. Prepare Gantt chart dashboards with slices and timelines. And in the last section, I have explained an easy system for managing projects efficiently. All the formats are prepared using simple Excel charts. There are no codes or macros used. You just need to have basic knowledge of Excel, an open mind and desire to learn something new. All the lectures are adequately supported by resources in the form of PDF and many editable Excel templates. With only few adjustments, you can use them directly with your own data. See you inside the course.